Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do 3/4 bound. So rather than just doing your tie point, you're going to bind pretty much all of the stems apart from the bottom. So I'm going to be using the satin ribbon, and that always start by holding the end and working your way around, going up to the top first to make sure you cover all the tie point at the top, making sure you catch that first bit of ribbon that you put on there. And then once you've covered the tie point at the top, you slowly start to make your way down, and you want to be bringing your stems in at the bottom to make them close together so that when you bind them you haven't got any that are pushing out at different angles. And I'm making sure that the ribbon is in regular intervals on the way down just to make it a little bit neater. All the way down to the bottom, and I'm just going to leave a little bit at the bottom, like so, and then I'm going to go back up about halfway, I reckon, just to make it nice and secure. Okay, right, I've gone about halfway up there, and I'm just going to cut off the edge, leave a little tail, and then I'm going to fold underneath to hide that edge and pop in a couple of pins. And then when you pop the pins in, you want to put them in straight and then angle them directly upwards, so that the angle will be up rather than across, so that you don't poke out the other side. And with this one, I'm gonna probably put 3 pins in there to secure it in, as the satin is a little bit wider. And then I'll probably pop a few pins all the way to the top, and you can pop it all the way to the bottom if you prefer, just to give it a nice finish, like so. So you can either just do a little bit, or you can go all the way to the bottom.